This video tutorial I will explain what is DNS. Imagine you are trying to find someone's house in a city you have never been before. You know the person's name but you don't know their address. So what you do? You might ask someone who knows the area well for the direction. Correct? Similarly, DNS is like the helpful person gives you the direction but for the internet. DNS is nothing but domain name system. Now we will see how DNS works. The first point is names to number. Every device connected to the internet, like computers, smartphones, and servers, and which has a unique identification number called IP address. It is like a phone number for each device. But remembering IP addresses for all the websites you want to visit would be very difficult. That is where DNS comes in. Second point is translating names to numbers. When you type a website name into your browser, like www.google.com, your computer does not know where the website is located. Your computer needs the IP address to connect. So your computer sends a request to the DNS server asking what is the IP address of www.google.com. The DNS servers knows the IP address for the website because DNS server is like a giant directory that matches website names to their IP addresses. And DNS server tells your computer the IP address. Then your computer can connect to the website. Third point is fast and efficient. DNS is super fast and efficient. It is like having a massive address book for the entire internet. And DNS helps your computer to find websites quickly and easily. Just like how you can quickly find your friend's house with the right address. DNS helps your computer to find websites with their IP addresses. In short, DNS is like the internet's address book, helping your devices to find websites by translating human-friendly website names into computer-readable IP addresses. DNS is an essential part of how we navigate the internet every day. Here you can see DNS server. Here you can see the server which hosts Google website, and its IP address is here, and here is your device which is a laptop, and here you opened a web browser and types www.google.com. Then the request sent to the DNS server to find out the IP address of www.google.com. DNS server check its records and find out the IP address of www.google.com and provide the IP address back to the device. Then using this particular IP address, the device makes HTTPS request to this particular server which hosts Google website. Then this particular server processes the request and sends HTTPS response back to your device. That will be displayed in your browser. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.